You're not lazy. You're not broken. And you're definitely not alone. Every day, millions of women silently battle polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS. It's not just about missed periods or frustrating weight gain. It's much deeper. What many don't realize is that PCOS isn't just a reproductive issue, it's a full-body hormonal imbalance with dangerous ties to heart health. Yes, heart disease, the #1 killer of women, is deeply connected to PCOS. But here's the truth. Your diagnosis isn't your destiny. In this video, we'll break down what PCOS really is, how it affects your heart, and most importantly, what you can do to reclaim your energy, balance your hormones, and protect your heart. Because your body isn't the enemy. It's crying for help, and today, you'll finally start listening. Let's talk about the science. Let's talk about the symptoms. And let's talk about hope. Because knowledge is power, and you deserve to feel strong, beautiful, and healthy in every way. Section 1. What is PCOS? Define PCOS: Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, a hormonal disorder affecting 1 in 10 women of reproductive age. Common symptoms: irregular periods, excess androgen leading to acne, hair growth. Polycystic ovaries seen on ultrasound, weight gain or difficulty losing weight. Lesser-known symptoms: insulin resistance, fatigue, mood swings or anxiety, fertility issues. Clarify: you don't need to have all symptoms to have PCOS, causes still debated. Genetics: insulin resistance, inflammation. Explain how PCOS is not just a reproductive issue, it's metabolic and systemic. Section 2. The link between PCOS and heart disease. PCOS increases risk factors for cardiovascular disease. Insulin resistance, a major driver of type 2 diabetes and inflammation. Obesity, particularly belly fat, which increases heart disease risk. High cholesterol and triglycerides. High blood pressure, inflammation and oxidative stress. Research-backed risks: women with PCOS are 4 to 7 times more likely to develop heart disease. Elevated risk of stroke, atherosclerosis, and even heart failure. Real talk: many women with PCOS feel tired, depressed, and burned out, not knowing that their heart is silently being affected. Explain how the hormonal imbalances, excess androgens, cortisol, insulin create a perfect storm for heart damage. Breakdown of metabolic syndrome and how it connects to PCOS. Section 3. Signs your heart may be affected by PCOS. Fatigue even with rest, chest tightness or shortness of breath. Rapid heartbeat or palpitations. High blood pressure, cholesterol imbalance. Poor circulation, cold hands, feet, tingling. Anxiety or panic attacks linked to cortisol, adrenal fatigue. Talk about the importance of regular checkups, even in your 20s or 30s. Section 4. Lifestyle changes that protect your heart and heal PCOS. Point 1. Nutrition for hormone and heart health, anti-inflammatory foods: berries, greens, omega-3 south, turmeric. Low glycemic diet: whole grains, legumes, protein-rich. Avoiding processed sugar and refined carbs. Importance of fiber for insulin resistance. Balance meals: protein plus healthy fat plus complex carb. 2. Movement and strength training. Why strength training is better than cardio alone for PCOS. Helps improve insulin sensitivity, boosts metabolism and balances hormones. Sample routine: 3 bi-week strength, 2x light cardio or yoga. 3. Stress management and sleep. Chronic stress equals cortisol equals worsens insulin resistance plus belly fat. Techniques: meditation, deep breathing, journaling, therapy. Sleep is crucial for hormone reset. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. 4. Supplements and natural support. Inositol supports ovulation and insulin. Magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin D links to insulin sensitivity. NAC-N-acetylcysteine. 5. Mindset shifts. PCOS can feel like a life sentence, but it's not. Embrace progress, not perfection. Your worth is not defined by your weight, cycles, or symptoms. Celebrate small wins: better sleep, more energy, stable moods. Section 5. What to ask your doctor: do I have insulin resistance? Request fasting insulin test, not just glucose. Can I get a full thyroid panel? What are my cholesterol and triglyceride levels? How's my blood pressure trending? Should I see a cardiologist or endocrinologist? Are there holistic options I can explore alongside meds? Encourage women to be their own health advocate. Section 6. Your PCOS plus Heart Health Action Plan. Step 1. Track symptoms: energy, cycle, mood, food. Step 2. Get your labs done: A1C, lipids, insulin, CRP. Step 3. Implement a morning routine: hydration, movement, mindset. Step 4. Cook at home 4 to 5x week with balanced meals. Step 5. Move your body 20 to 30 minutes daily. Step 6. Prioritize sleep and unplug from screens. Step 7. Add one stress-reducing habit: breathing, walks, music. Step 8. Celebrate monthly wins no matter how small. Motivational ending. PCOS doesn't define you. Neither does heart disease. You are not weak. You are not stuck. You are not broken. You are a woman, resilient, powerful, and capable of healing. Your body may be speaking a different language right now, but you can learn to listen. You can create a lifestyle that supports your heart, balances your hormones, and gives you your energy back. It starts with one small step. Drink the water. Move your body. Say the affirmation. Make the better food choice. You're not too late. And you are never too far gone. Your healing starts now. Because a strong heart begins with a strong woman, and that woman is you.